Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So we're back again with a Tech Tuesday within OBS, and we are helping you out with multiple segments here within creating your own backdrop, your cameras, and we've been covering a lot of different parts and pieces of this, and there will be several segments. So make sure you do like and subscribe so that way you get notifications to any of these segments that you're looking for, and you'll get a notification when something new comes out, or if one of you out there have put in the comments of something you're stuck on and that's holding you up, or some questions. We'll try to put as many videos out as quick as possible, and we always try to do that and try to respond as quick as possible. The best way that we get to you is through the videos, and it's a lot easier to explain these to you within the videos. So right now we're talking about the OBS, and we had talked about the microphone and adding the microphone. So now that we got the microphone added, the questions were about the microphone settings and how you do that, and you know, all the different settings within the microphone. So you'll want to right click over you can see it here right beside me. Right click on your microphone that's there, and then you'll click the filters. And as you see here, there's multiple filters that we have added, like noise suppression, noise gate, compressor, compressor 2, gain. You can actually overlap a lot of these too if you wanted to. Now, each of these, you'll see our settings here. I mean, most of these, like if you're using a Yeti, and we talked about the Yeti and the other one, a lot of these, once you bring it up, it comes as a standard. It'll already be kind of preset for you when you add that filter. But this is something, again, I can't tell you exactly the numbers that are going to be good for you, because it all depends on what kind of space you're in. If you're in a big building and it's echoing, you're going to have to, you know, do some different noise suppression settings and things like that. Same thing with the noise gate. You know, if somebody's mowing their yard and they're outside, I mean, a lot of these will cover that up. Now, if they don't, we'll talk about that in DaVinci. If you use DaVinci to edit, or Shotcut, whatever you may use, but we use DaVinci, but that's another different segment. There's a lot of helpful tips that we can help you out with. If that's something you want, just let us know in those comments. But if you want to add another one, again, same way, right click. And if you want to add more, you can add the compressor, expander, gain, limiter, noise suppression. There's a plugin. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff for the microphone that you can add and kind of tweak around within the microphone settings. Now, we're just going to get out of here, but we wanted to show you where that's at for the microphone and how to set that. In other segments, we'll cover a few different things in regards to this topic. There's a lot of stuff here that we could help you out with, but this was just for your settings for your microphone. So we hope this helps, and we'll see